A database is collections of information of a table. A database is a collections of data table. Data table display information in a grid. Data is distinct pieces of information. Data collections of information. SQL Server is a structured query language used for backend. SQL is a data language or application which is used to create, update, or modify, store, to display or view, delete, select, to data from the database or store in a database. As today we will learn about how to add a column in a table. If we have already a table and we want to add a column in a table, so first of all, again we will create a table, and after creations of table, we can try to add one more column. So we'll get to know that how we can add or one more column in our data table. Already made a table. How we can add one more column? So first of all, we will create a table. So we will create a table like create table. We'll take employee, 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 and after that in a bracket we are taking that employee number. After that, employee number should be in int always. After that, employee name. It should be varchar. Character count, that would be a 40. After that, employee address. Employee address also varchar. Count would be 40. After that, employee salary, it should be always float, float, float. Then like this only. Now first of all, we need to create a database. We'll come up and create a database. If we are not creating any database, then automatically pull out the master database. Now I am going to create a database. Database name is, I'm taking create database Dwarka my channel. Now I need to use this database, so I'm going to use Dwarka my channel. Now I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to select create database Dwarka my channel and F5 to run the program. After that, use Dwarka my channel F5. And after that I need to select from create table employee bracket and then these all things up to the closing bracket and F5. And after that I am getting a empty table with the employee number, employee name, employee address, employee salary up to. Now I'm going to insert value in this. I'm going to insert value INSERT insert into employee values. Now I'm taking my employee ID, that is 196869. After that my name in single inverted, no, not critical. After that I'm taking my address is Harshil Paragao in single inverted. And after that I'm taking any salary, that is I'm taking salary 19,500.23 rupees. That's it. And I'm going to insert the value from, so insert into like this, insert, and I'm going to select insert into employee value 196869. After that in single inverted, no, not cursor, in single again comma, in single inverted Harshil Paragao again 19,500.23. I'm going to F5 to run the program. And after that I'm going to alter table employee, add JOD means joining date and date and time, date time. So just I'm not doing anything, I'm inserting directly data. Okay, so I have add one more column, and that is taking empty. So I need to fill up this value with that table. So I'm going to add the value. Update employee, set JOD, then 29 APR 2020 12 and where EMP ID is equal to 196869. I'm going to select all and F5 to run. So now we'll get the output with the all columns. We'll get one more column and add JOD added, and we'll get all column with this. Like this we cannot add one more column. And now